Alright, this time we're going to look at two more Blu-ray players. Today we're going to look at AiseeSoft Blu-ray player and then AnyMp4 Blu-ray player. Both sell for about 39 bucks. And if you look at these applications separately, like if you buy one, check it out, like yeah, it works. If you look at the AnyMp4 and play that one and use it, it'll be the same thing. But when you actually compare them side by side, you'll notice something very interesting with these two. On their websites, it seems to be two different companies. But if you actually look at the software itself, you'll be surprised. So we'll go ahead and open up the AiseeSoft first. And you're presented with this registration screen if you haven't registered yet. And with this opening graphic right here. So now if we go to the AnyMp4 player, we'll open that up real quick. Oh, notice something? If you look at this, and then you go back to the AiseeSoft. Oh, look at that. It's the same exact graphic except for the logo. My oh my. And we'll take a look at the registration box. And if you put those side by side, you'll notice that the only thing that is different between these two is the website and this part right here. One has email address, the other one has username. Seems like this is the only thing that's changed between the two products. The menus are the same. So we can almost guarantee that these two are the same product, just under different names. So if we dig a little bit further and we actually look at the file structures, we go to AiseeSoft Blu-ray player. Let me make it kind of bigger. And then we'll open up the AnyMp4 player. And then we put these side by side. So this is the AiseeSoft, and this is the AnyMp4. We have image formats, language, local, plugins, product, skin, drivers. It looks like not much has changed within the file structure either. So we can safely say that this is the same application. Now if we go to plugins, we can click on that, and you can also see the same file structure. So now that we established that the AnyMp4 player and the AiseeSoft player is both the same application. And now the interesting part is if we dig deeper, and if you have seen my other videos, you will know what I'm talking about on this point. I got this application on my computer called Bin Text. And if you open this up, or if you download it and check it out for yourself, what this program does is you can throw any file at it and it'll read all of the text inside of that file. So you can actually grab, let's go to miscellaneous. You can actually grab a DLL, throw it into this program, and it'll read all the text inside of that DLL. So we'll actually take one of these from the AnyMp4 player. We'll go miscellaneous, we'll drag that over. And it usually takes a few seconds to about a minute, depending on how big the file is. So now if we actually look at this text, this is all the text inside this file. So if we scroll down, we'll start to notice something, such as right here. Copyright the Videoland VLC Media Player developers. Licensed under the terms of the GNU or the GPL. Which basically is, this program is basically Videoland or VLC. So we can actually go back and grab a couple more. And there we have more right there. Oh, look at that. So now what this means is, actually the AnyMp4 Blu-ray player is just VLC. And since the AiseeSoft and AnyMp4 is the exact same application, that means the AiseeSoft Blu-ray player is also VLC. So if you run across these two applications, just stick with VLC and don't pay for these. That's it for this one.